Hello everyone, my name is Clayton Fernandes and I have completed my bachelor's in banking and insurance from St. Andrews College. After my college, I have 2 years of work experience in the banking sector. I have joined Kotak Mahindra Bank and Citi Bank, and I've worked as an executive in the sales and service department. So the reason why I chose digital marketing to be the foundation of my career is because I did a lot of extensive research about the particular growing trend which is digital marketing right now in the industry, and I came to know that there is going to be a lot of growth in terms of jobs and basically salary wise as well. And I also plan to open my own consultancy maybe in future eventually. And after a lot of research and a lot of recommendations done by my friends, I chose EduPristine to be my teachers in this particular field, because I believe that they have a good course. Their contents are up to date, and their knowledge for them to impart into us is actually really professional. So best part about this course, I believe, is the soft skill sessions that we have at EduPristine. So soft skills, along with your technical and practical knowledge that you gain at this course, it actually helps you build your career on a professional level, along with business communication skills. I believe it's a vital role for any employee or any particular candidate to go ahead and get ahead in their career. I would recommend all of you to come ahead and join digital marketing in EduPristine, because it's been a mixture of work and fun. And when you mix both of these two aspects, work becomes fun or fun becomes work. So I recommend all of you to come ahead and join this course here. Thank you.